Hey quizzers, welcome to our channel. In today's video I challenge you to find odd numbers, letters, and many more interesting quizzes. It will be fun. Let's start with the easy. First question, can you find the odd one?
Can you show me the odd number? You can spot many letters, but where is the odd one? Remember the position of all animals? Where is the elephant located? That's right, the elephant is at number 1. Look at the emoji carefully and guess. Can you find the odd number? Can you recognize the odd letters? Let's remember the position of all these images. Where is the bus located? Can you find the odd emoji? Where is the odd number? Let's remember the position of all these images. Where is the apple located? You are right, apple is located at position number 1. Here you can spot many letters, but where is the odd one? Next, look at the emoji carefully and guess. Let's remember the position of all the images. Where is the soccer ball located? That's right, the soccer ball is at number 1. Can you find the odd number? Can you recognize the odd letter? Can you find the odd emoji?
How many correct answers did you get? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoy this quiz, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.